Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla, Conrad ke Sangma, Henin ke Sengi ula Plie perda ia ke Kamra Puid Briew ke Thymmai ha Sohra CHC. Da ke boong ba ke Jylla kelas saki ia ke jinghiar ha ke jingdon ke jingyap ki kemie na ke jingkhakun. Ke balong arspa lai pongut ha usnam arajar khatpra sha ke shispa shi pongut. Ulaong ka jingla banlap ye ki bashitom ha ka jingpun kun lingba ki monitoring app but lingba ka safe motherhood home scheme ka ba ai jingyarap bisa sanspa tingka shisngi kala yarap ban kentiu ya ka rukom ai jing sumar ya ki long keme Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla ula penaru ya ka mang tingka ka bantrei kam na ka benta ka tanat ka koit kya but ula bu maunong remru na ka benta ka phase 2 jong ka yo Sohra.
I remember 2018-19 when we had just taken over and the maternal mortality rate was 230 per lakh and national average was 113 and we were the worst in the country. And at that point in time, all the people around me told me that it's the institutional deliveries. We must increase institutional deliveries, which was below 50 at that point in time. And through that, we are able to then develop a strategy to then connect to these mothers and tell them that, look, come to the safe motherhood homes. And we will provide you financial incentives. So for those who don't know, we provide 500 rupees per day